Hello and welcome. My name is Maria and I will be your teacher for Xero Accounting and Bookkeeping software course online. During this course, we will register for the trial version on Xero and I will show you how to do it. It's free. Now we'll go through a scenario on UK demo version. We will go through navigation panel. Now we'll teach you how to find information, set up your organization, make financial setting changes, set up a tracking category, and much more in this section. Then we go through chart of accounts and look into how to add a contact for your supplier or your customer. We also look into sales quotes and how to raise a sales invoice on Xero, purchase orders, conversion purchase order into purchase invoice. Then we'll look into fixed assets and inventory. We also look at the payroll, and I'll explain step by step how to set up a payroll in your company and how to run your pay run, how to add employees and make changes. Projects and how projects can help you to run and manage those projects on Xero. We also have a look at the sales tax, what it is and how it differs from country to country, and how to submit a VAT return on Xero as well. It's a large course, but I split it in bit-sized sections, and within each section you will get theory and quizzes and some additional information in terms of articles. Don't forget to subscribe for free materials such as ebook, which has an amazing step-by-step guides for each single section. In each section you will see me again in a short video explaining what you will learn at the end of the video. I would like to see you at my course, and I wish you best of luck with the studies and your career.